What's going on, everyone? So I'm out here today going to do a little bit of a test here on my Superbee. Eastwood went ahead and sent me some of their latest and greatest rust encapsulator, their Platinum. This stuff is supposed to be even better than their last encapsulator. I've used it on a lot of my cars and it's always worked really well, so I just wanted to try it out myself. I've got my SCT here, which I'm going to use to break down a little bit here on this side of the fender, and I want to do just a little test of putting it on here, and while I'm finishing up my garage and it's kind of out here in the elements, just see how it functions and how it'll hold up. We're going to use the SCT here and do a little sanding on this fender, expose some of the rust that's obviously been painted over, and try out the Platinum Rust Encapsulator. So you can see we got quite a fair amount of deep embedded rust here into this fender, mixed with obviously some nice clean metal, and the SCT does a really good job of tearing right through that old paint and primer, and you can even see the layers too. So let's try this rust encapsulator. Old gun here, old material gun, and put a little bit, spray it on, and see what happens. See how this looks. Again, obviously this isn't a professional job. I'm just doing this more like a test. I didn't really clean the fender the way I would have wanted to. Kind of just sprayed it there lightly, but just want to see how it does, how it weathers out here, and what it'll look like. I mean, even with as thick as it seems in here, not even reducing it and not really even adjusting my gun, it's sprayed on pretty nice. So yeah, so far I've always liked the stuff that Eastwood makes. We'll see what happens.